High Commissioner mentioned just now, Singapore and India had some MOU. You wanted to make that MOU, that understanding, a fruitful, come to Andhra Pradesh. Not only I am promising we'll do, earlier I used to do, always I used to promote ease of doing business. 14, 19 out of 5 years, 1 year second place in India for ease of doing business. Continuously 4 years, we got number 1 for doing ease of doing business. Now we changed our gear also, changed situation. We are talking about speed of doing business. Once you sign, you count 0 date, 0 hour from that time onwards. It is our responsibility to get all the clearances without any problems. We will implement project. That is our commitment. That is how we are going to do it.